Hey everybody, Matt here from the Fat Matt Adventures channel. It's going to be really cold here in Texas this weekend, so let's go camping. Hello, my fellow Earthlings. It's Matthew from Fat Matt Adventures channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another adventure. Tonight, I am solo camping, and it's going to be pretty cold this weekend. It's Friday, and tonight it's going to be about 19 degrees, and I've never camped in the back of my pickup truck in that temperature before. So I will be testing out some of my gear, some of the limits of my gear, and my own limits to see how I do. And worst case scenario, if I get too cold and I can't stay warm, I can just hop in the truck and head home. And that's okay. Yeah, but I'm not going to talk too much for this video. I just want to enjoy some peace and quiet, the sounds of nature. It is Valentine's Day weekend. Hopefully I'll get this video online by Valentine's Day. So if I do, happy Valentine's Day to all of you. I love you guys. I appreciate all the support. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Hopefully you guys don't have to work on Monday. I don't have to work on Monday. I'm excited about that. Sunday and Monday, I guess all the way through Wednesday, we have a pretty good chance of snow in Texas. Sunday night it's supposed to be close to 0 degrees, and Monday maybe -2 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's pretty chilly. I'm not planning on camping those nights, but I might actually go out and chase some more snow down and make a cool video with that. But anyway, I found a really cool campsite here right next to Black Creek Lake that's kind of hidden. And it is a cold weekend, like I mentioned, so there's not a lot of people out here camping. In fact, there's nobody. I'm here by myself, and I love that. I really wanted just some nice peace and quiet. So again, I'm not going to talk very much during this video. I'll show you a little bit about how I set the back of my pickup truck up for cold camping. And it's, for the solo setup. I've got a nice little table in there, a single burner gas grill, a heater. I think I'll be pretty good tonight. But anyway, I'm going to shut up now. had this idea. Heater has heat in it. Magically, it has heat inside of that thing. And that heat rises to the top of the camper. Now, it's going to be really cold tonight, and I'm down here on the bottom of the truck bed, and it's cold down here, but it's warm up here. So I brought the fan so that way it could blow air up here and grab that heat magically, and it will push it around the top of the camper shell, maybe around the side to down to my body. Kind of like a convection oven is what I'm thinking. So hopefully the batteries last in that thing all night. If not, I've got some extra sets. But yeah, see that? Fan pushes the heat from here to here where I'm going to sleep. From here to here. From here to here. All right, everybody, I had a great dinner. That soup was delicious. It warmed me up, and I'm about ready to crawl into this nice warm sleeping bag and hunker down for the night. Good night. Well, good morning. It's about 10 minutes after 7 in the morning on Saturday morning. And I have to admit, I was pretty cozy last night, pretty toasty. The setup with the dual sleeping bags, the heater, the fan, it worked out as expected. I was very warm in there. There's a little bit of ice crystals on the inside of this back window, but there wasn't a lot of heat right there. I sort of let it stay open on the corners for circulation so that there was some good airflow through there. Airflow through there. Some air flows through there.
Airflow through there.
Anyway, I'm curious what temperature it is outside. So let me get my shoes on and we'll have a look-see. Okay. Let's go look. It is 16.7 degrees Fahrenheit, which is negative 8.4 degrees Celsius. So yeah, it got a little bit colder than I thought it was going to. Okay guys, I am going to pack up and head out here very shortly because it's freezing. It's 17 degrees Fahrenheit and I'm pretty cold. I'm going to get the truck started up and get the engine warmed up and pack some things up here Yeah, I appreciate you guys coming along the adventure with me. The whole purpose was really just to test the limits of some of this gear in here to see what kind of temperatures I would be comfortable in. And inside the truck, I could probably easily do another 10 degrees lower. So I would have been fine if the temperatures were anywhere from 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 15 degrees Fahrenheit. I think that would have been fine in here. So it's just good information for me to know. I always like to sort of test my limits and the limits of my gear, and just have some fun while we're at it, right guys? Okay, dudes and dudettes, my fellow earthlings and humans, I'm gonna get moving so I can get some blood flowing. I'm gonna get a little breakfast in me, just a breakfast bar and some cranberry juice if it's not frozen solid, and pack up and get going. So if you like this video, and I hope you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and if you want to see more content like it, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bells. Thank you guys so much. Be good to each other out there. We'll see you in the next adventure.